Cats, hello, congrats on Frog, how are you? Dirty, hello, happy Halloween. God, Pissy, thank you for the flash. Hold on, I can't hear anything yet. 1 minute. Dirty, congrats on Frog. Oh my god, get tired, goddamn. Wow, I heard that through the headphones. Well, yeah, of course I heard it. I don't have my headphones on yet, but I heard it. Pissy! Pissy! Thank you so much for the resub for 12 months. Let's go. Oh god. GTS chill. God damn. And he's taking off his pants. Let's go, Pissy. Thank you for the 10 stream streak. God damn. Thank you, Pissy. I appreciate that. Coffee and peanut butter. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. Hannah, congrats on Frog. How are you? Happy fucking Halloween. Cool, congrats on Frog. Chat, if you have not claimed a frog yet, claim it now. Put him in your pocket. Take him home with you. Make him do some work, you know? Hi, my love. How are you? Hair just isn't. That's literally me right now. My hair is not sitting right. Hi. Oh, it's me. So, these are not straight. But then again, nor am I. These are a lot bigger than expected. Angela, congrats on Frog. How are you? Now that Dale's here. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were gonna be. They're fucking massive. It's back. Thank you for the 10 stream streak. I appreciate it. The bot, cats, the bot. Where's me? That should have just been all me. You know what? I'm the bot. I'm the bot now. Haha. Because he's mine. Did I even post? Did I post today? I don't remember. My brain is fucking mashed potato. I did. This morning has been a disaster. Yeah, it's cats. It's all right. Understandable. See, see, you get it. You get it. Oh, man, fuck you. How's everyone's day? Robert, it's pissing me off. Robert. Thanks, Diddy. Hell yeah, I love being on the TV. If I'm on speakers, that is a dangerous thing. This is Marcus. Oh shit. Thank you, cats. Gotta wake up. Good luck, Angela. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This is Marcus. Marcus is a sardine / alien / something. Looks like it's not a penis toy. His name is Marcus. And he says, Robert, that rock is pissing me off. Do not put him in your penis. Leave Marcus out of this. He's just a freaky little guy. Well, I fucking love this guy. I just need to draw his eyeballs on. He is Gregnant. He's very Gregnant. I wonder if Robert's the father. But he does not stand up, so he has to rest on Mimikyu. Him and Mimikyu are best friends now. They're having soft tacos later. Oh, man. I need a controller for this, apparently. Yeah, fuck. Pissy, thank you for the bits. Thank you for the digs. Appreciate it. Oh. Big badinky bones shanked me in the leg at Panera Bread. I love that. Hi, Skills. Hi, Banshee. Congrats on Frog. How are you? No. His name is... Don't lick him. Ku with a penis would be a menace. Like, Ku would be on the news of, like, local penis haver fucked every single person in the area. Shipped hello, congrats on Frog. How are you? Thank you, Banshee. I was just saying that they were way bigger than I expected. Like, I set them to print last night before I went to bed because I totally am prepared and remember. And then they came out huge. Like, chat, they're ribbed. You see them? You see that? But they're pointy and they do not have a flayed base. Do not use them. What the fuck? Wow. Did you sub run out? Did you sub run out? Who sub? My sub? You're still subbed. Chat, they're big. They're big. Okay, Full Sail is an experience intended to be played in one sitting. There's no save options. Play in the dock and use headphones. Okay, sure. They came out just from birth. Listen, it's gotta be done. It's gotta be done. Exactly. Shipped. I still feel like your dong would be bigger than that. Fucking hell, that's pretty fucking big to be. I don't have a tape measure. I would have. Wait, I don't even need a tape. Hold on. We can check the length of these Magnus Donguses. Why am I doing this? I don't know. What if you got blocked? Who's getting blocked? Would you imagine? Seems a damn right shape. Get out of here. Where's the measuring tool? Not that. They are 200 millimeters tall, so 20 centimeters. I don't know what that is in inches. Alexa, how much is 20 centimeters in inches?
20 centimeters is about 7.9 inches.
7.9? God damn. These seem bigger than 7.9, I'll be honest. You refresh? Yeah, you refresh. Because I was going to say, we see it. Kitty with the flower. He's not shitting for once. Oh my god. Oh, you got stop someone you're not following. Check dog is 10 out of 10. That's 7.9, so almost 8. I don't think this game is so loud. I'm trying to fucking talk here. God damn. Thank you. Anywho, I can barely like it was. I'm trying to fucking yell over the game like a dumbass. Massive shipped, at least 10 inches, at least 10. You can see it now. Hell yeah. Who's dying? No dying allowed. It's against the rules. After someone, you know what? At least you get a flower after that. It got scared, right? Like it just started fucking yelling at me. Happy Halloween! It's Halloween! I already forgot, even though I did the title literally 11 minutes ago. Has anyone got anything planned for tonight? Has anyone got anything cool? Ah, shit. We should have. Halloweeners! We love a good wiener. These things are heavy. Like, My headphones might come off. Oh, you're going to a gig with... Oh, what? On Halloween? That would be sick. You're in a haunted courthouse? No thanks. Did they, you know, like, people over there? I wasn't going to the bar, but you're Wario? Hell yeah, Dirty. I love that. I was Mario. I was Mario the other day. It was great. It just started storming. Oh no. Grab your strongest umbrella. You're gonna need it. Can we switch to the game, please? Thank you. It's fucking windy. Oh my god, look at that boy go. Snappy got jorts. I still have my hat right. It's underneath Robert, so I won't pull it out. Okay, so I don't need a controller for this. It just lied to me. Let's. Hello? Ah. Swing it a little bit lower. Excuse me. Oh, I fucking knew it. 138. Not for me. There's no video settings? Okay. And I got candy and taking extra. Hell yeah. 100 full size shot. Oh my god, I'm so jealous. 50 candies more with the. Oh. I'm so jealous. The worst thing is I called him the wrong fucking name. His name is Marcus. You got new jorts. Look at him. I love him. He's in the squad. Hell yeah, look at him go. Wait, does Fred have jorts on in my... Wait, does Fred have a throwing it back emote? Do I have? He does have jorts on. He does. I forgot what fucking emotes I had then for a sec. Oh, hell yeah, I love that. We don't get anyone here, mainly because it's not the safest area. He all these. Hell yeah. I'm praying for you, dude. You got this, I believe. I thought he was naked for a sec. I thought he was. Oh my god. That's like hypnosis right there. Midnight shift. And the sheriffs. Oh, patrols in New South Wales too. Of which are extremely haunted. Yeah, see, that's not for me. I would die. Hypnosis. Oh, hell yeah. I love that skills. I love that. What else? Ignition chip. I love a bit of ignition chips, me. Oh, I'm not driving. Hey, Diva. Am I allowed to...
it is a long way from the city, but the scenery is beautiful. Come on, you can't deny it.
I can deny it, actually. This is shit. I feel like I'm going to Silent Hill. She's got a fake Labubu. Big shop tomorrow. Hell yeah. I love a big shop. Oh, that's a slow one. I like that. Oh. Oh, that's not an Among Us. Oh, I have to press E. Sure is. Let's just hope this house is as beautiful as the scenery.
Rumors, right? Listen, don't let them put you off. People make stories up all the time.
Can you guys hear this?
When the place is isolated like this.
What are you talking about?
Wait, you don't know?
I have no idea, babes.
Multiple times in the past. Previous owners just disappeared.
Oh, lovely. A la foo. Exactly. It's kind of low, but. I'm a la foo. I was a la boo boo. But that just reminded us. Really fucking. Is Dale still here? It's not. Damn it. Damn you, work. What do you mean
Like
disappeared?
That. Disappeared. I mean, how does someone just disappear, right? Not like all of them just took
A la poo poo. Nah, he's working. No, but we were on the train on the way to the Halloween party last week, and it was packed. Like, it was full. And this fucking kid gets on, right? And he's looking in the distance at his mom. And she's trying to get on the train, but it's full. Like, it's full. We're like packed in like sardines. It was fucking horrific. I hated it. Anyway, she's about to get like pushed out. Not like pushed out, but like she's about to not make it, and he just stands there and looks at it and he's like, "Mummy!" in the most high-pitched, weird-ass fucking voice we've ever. And there was like 4 of us around just holding in laughter so fucking hard because it was so like she was getting on. He was with his father and his sister, and he was just keep in mind this kid was like 13, 14, like, and he's, "Mummy!" It was so fucking funny. But Aspen, hello, congrats on Frog. How are you? Spirits rather than do eviction. You know what? True. Fuck evictions. Oh god. How we missing Luke? Oh, look, cuckoo. Love that. God, it's shipped. I hate it. It's terrible. It's terrible. I said to him, listen, if you could put me in your bucket and take me around all day, I'm down. Or the other way around, I don't care. But yeah, it was really funny. And then for some reason, he just spoke to this random woman, and he was like, "Is that a labubu?" And she was like, "Yeah, it's a labubu. It's real." It wasn't real. It was the fakest labubu I've ever seen. It had its eyes closed. It didn't even have the eyeballs. And she was there like trying to show the label. And I'm like, "Girl, that's fake as fuck. That's a lafufu. That's a lafufu from Ali fucking Express." Foreskin pocket. Do I have any plans tonight? I do not. I do not. There's a set with the eyes closed? Then what the hell's the point? You ain't even got no face. You can't even fucking see. What? I thought the whole point was like, oh, look at its fucking creepy little eyes. That's some fucking weird shit. You're like, oh, cool, that's rank. What the fuck? I don't know. Sorry, I got very distracted there. Resting in that seat, sitting down? Oh. Did they have like an open mouth? Like, ah. Because that one had like an open mouth. Now, I would love to do that. I would love to do that. All of who's demonic? No, that's just people being like, oh, they're demonic. Every time something gets popular, like, oh, it's a demon.
It was. And turns out the people that went missing apparently spent a lot of time secluded in the house.
Demons.
There were never signs of foul
You down with? I'm
play.
down with the clown. I ain't fucking with demons though. That is true. I gotta go see Skills first. I have to. Skills is my original Canadian homie.
Anyway,
Sure.
I almost forgot, but
Thank you,
I
shipped.
won't be able to pick you up once you're done. I
Oh.
have to drop some stuff off.
She's gonna leave me here. Honestly, I've seen some horrific sentences on Twitch. That might be the worst one. And it just reminded me of, oh, didn't someone sent that in fucking Discord? I know they did. Oh, I was gonna say, I need to check. Someone sent that really fucked up picture and not safe for work, and it's someone with an Oreo in their foreskin, and it's just like the whole Oreo was in there, and now that's all I can see. Oh no, that sucks. Dude, the weather has been awful, to be fair. I got a buddy who drives a cab. He'll pick me up at. You're gonna leave this haunted house at 11. Are you insane?
Alright, we should go now. Good luck and trying to get a cold, okay?
Oh, trying to get a cold. No, take me with you. Your windows are steamed up. You're gonna crash and die. Yeah, I had to. And yeah, just a solid Oreo. If I could show it on stream, I would. Hold on. Is it still in there? It wasn't that long ago. Yeah, right. It's 2 of them. It wasn't even 1. It was 2 of them. Wild. It's not even faked either. You keep your snacks. It's a great place to keep them. I don't have that pocket, unfortunately. Demons are fun, malevolent spirits are straight assholes. Listen, anything that's dead and trying to come towards me is a no-no. Oh, this doesn't seem freaky at all. I feel like we're playing Silent Hill. Thank you for the orange. Is boobies. Scary boobies. You fuck. Big enough to fit. Now, why would you say that? That was, yeah, you're damn right. Well, I know where we're ending up tonight. That's a lot of chopped wood. Thought he was gonna make a penis joke, but he did not. Hello? We have not. Oh, my carburetor is sentient. My bad. Sorry, carburetor. Good luck. Hi, fan. How are you? I love that. Hardwood, lack and oak, maybe. Guess you gotta do it. You gotta do it, shipped. Man, congrats on Prague. How are you? How's your day going? How is existing? Ooh. Now, why the fuck are the keys just outside here? Different tools are different sizes for different tasks, he knows. Happy Halloweeners. Fuck. I should have used that as my joke. Halloweeners. Instead of WALLOHEEN. I was thinking about doing Walloween, but then it sounded a bit too Waluigi-ish. Gardening tips and tricks. Okay. Thank you, Koo. Oh, Koo for sale. Can we get 1,000 bits for a Koo? I'm hearing 1,000 bits. Any more offers? Anything else? I forgot how to be an auctioneer. Too late, Koo. It said Koo for sale. Koo is for sale. Won't budge. Here at 420. Let's go. Like, is it a privilege? Some of us don't have a pocket, right? Except, see, I don't have a pocket. I have a prison pocket. But I can't fit nearly as many snacks in there. I don't want to open this. Why? Is that blood? Now, if you see blood, nah. Did I have to know if I'm 11 sudden drop or rising temperature? Yeah. Foul smell. Oh god. Oh shit. Here we go. From Monday. Oh god. 1,111 bits. We would have a wallet. You know what? True. Jealous. War barrels. Do people just keep barrels of water? Is this a thing? Toddler tricycle. Kick it over the fence. Do we have a dog? Hello? I don't see a dog. Oh, it's got a little foo-foo. Give me it. Oh, collectible found. I found a werebear. Look at him spin. Wow! God damn, look at him go. That motherfucker got moves. What time is it? It is 2:26 p.m. Collectible pound. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I fucking love that song. Also, that shit is still fucking getting views on shit on YouTube. It's true. Wait, am I in the future? Is it Halloween for you yet? Or is it like, it's early morning for you, right? Hello? Oh my god. This bitch do art. 10:27. What the hell? EST. Tell you the future. It's scary. There's lots of wieners everywhere. Hello, wieners. I don't know if it's a spirit pleasant. Oh. Broke and then he found you five. Same. Now, where the fuck did the camera come from? Turn the goddamn lights on. Jade opened my journal. Photos to be taken, hall, coat hanger, console table, stairs, umbrella stand. Oh, I don't like this. I ain't listening to that. I see a bear. No, put the camera away. Brown the Franken bear. Woo! I'm spinning like a ballerina. Hello?
Hey, thanks for coming. Feel
The
free to make
animatronics
yourself
get a little bit
comfortable. If
quirky
you're feeling
at
hungry
night.
or need a drink, help yourself to anything in the fridge.
We got the
As we
shakes.
discussed earlier, I'm not able to come back home today to walk you through the house.
Oh.
So please go ahead and explore on your own to capture
I don't
some
like
great
that.
photos for the listing. Oh, and I sometimes lock some doors to prevent them from swinging open due to the wind. I rushed out today and forgot to unlock them, but you'll find the keys scattered around the house. They're clearly labeled. You shouldn't have any trouble finding the right ones.
That's suspicious.
I'm looking forward to seeing the pictures
That's
you
weird.
take. Talk to you soon.
Horror. Oh. Damn, Koo, what the fuck? Keep it in the family. I always knew Koo was a freak. Also, Dad, I was telling everyone about fucking the train and the kid, Mummy! Apparently that Labubu was real. Apparently they have a set that have closed eyes now too. I thought she was there like, it's real, it was fake. It wasn't. I still think it was fake. Oh, 69% rizz? Hell yeah. Nice. Oh. Mummy! It's still stuck in my head. Oh, what was Wild saying you should do? Coat hanger? This thing? No, who the fuck care about the coat hanger? 25% rizz in Pound Town? What the hell? Listen, if I don't get my own man here, FMK is getting shut down permanently. Shipped address. Not even my own man? What the fuck? You just read. Oh my god, who? I need to know. So am I just taking pictures? China cabinet, coffee table, fireplace, sofa, television. You sent me a picture? What? Oh my god, I think she actually had the hee one. No, the hee it had like a different mouth. Hers was definitely fake. I swear. I don't believe her. She was lying to me. Well, to everyone. Damn, death is popular today. Oh. That actually scared me so bad. 35% full of piss. Thank you for the shiny look. Yeah. Oh. That's literally it. This is me texting you, by the way. Mummy! Those are the only eyes closed ones, bet. Oh, how do I close this? Okay, living room. Can I get some lights on, please? Man, this house is way too fucking gloomy, man. What the fuck was that? China. Can I get 2 in 1? I didn't need to take a picture of any of that. Anywho. This isn't even the living room. I'm in the wrong room. I have to go. Sometimes that's what we need. Not in a hateful way, you know? It's just it's saying it in an uncouth way, just have a wank. Treat yourself. Oh god. Just have a little treat, you know? Dirty, and the damn. Oh, I can get 2 in 1. Hell yeah. That should have been the coffee table too, but you know, we'll let you off game. Oh, nah. Don't be flickering lights at me. You are? Oh, hell yeah, I did them all in what? In 2 pictures? God, I'm so good at taking pictures. Oh, dude, that scared the piss out of me. Listen, robots are taking over. They're taking over. I'm writing this so I can keep my sanity in check. Oh lord, it's been 2 weeks since I bought the house. Hasn't been a single day that I felt normal. I can't explain the feeling. I got this feeling. It's Justin Timberlake inside my bones. When I'm inside the house, I feel uncomfortable, like there's always something in the corner of my eye. I had that once, but I was literally just hallucinating. Sorry, 1 second, I forgot I haven't got any lurks open. Uh-huh. Lovely jubbly. There we go. Stop getting laid as soon as you're married. Nah. What's that? See? Skills is getting it. Sorry, I had to say it. Oh God. Le poisson Steve. Poisson Steve. Il est orange. Il a tes bras et tes jambes. Le poisson Steve. Hi, Calvin. Congrats on Frog. Thank you so much for the bits. Happy Halloween. How are you? Oh, that actually scared me. Why? It ain't. Hello. Thank you for the bedroll. I appreciate it. Congrats on Frog. How are you? Oh, you're almost at 74 frogs. That's gonna be my favorite number. Well, no, it's not gonna be. It is my favorite number. EP, you should have a nap. Steve is orange. He is. And French. At the same time, when I go to town to buy groceries and get some fresh air, I feel nauseated and I just need to get back inside the house. Once I do, the nausea stops and the dread settles in again. Oh, I don't like that. Le Orange Steve. Exactly. We love Steve. Steve is a vibe. Never had the habit of writing things down, but maybe getting some. Oh, he wants to get some of that stuff out of my head and onto a paper will make me feel better. I don't think it will. 8 and 99, nice. Good numbers. Round. They feel round. Steve Orange, look at him. My God, these horns are huge. Drilling. Underwater drilling? Don't fuck in the bath. That's a disaster waiting to happen. The future of mineral extraction. Plans set for groundbreaking expedition. The future is now. Sure. Oh, y'all got a PS1? Ready for play. Where's your TV? Brief escape from reality might be tempting. Oh, there's your TV. Newer models TVs. Ooh, big back TV. Learn more French. Oh, hell yeah. Listen, French is French. French is confusing. As a kid, I wanted to be 8. When I was 7, I wanted to be 8. When I was 9, I was sad because I wanted to be 8. Honestly, life was simpler back then. It was the vibes. Y'all got a DVD player too? The future of home entertainment, they were? Changing faster than I can keep up. Oh, cut a vampire bear. Darth, hello, congrats on Frog. How are you? I don't know why the bear started talking for me. This is last night because of French. French is evil, man. French is evil. A baby seal in French is called a le fuck. That's wild. Le fuck? What le fuck? Oh, why are you upside down? Shrek! Shrek is love. Shrek is life. Shrek is chasing you with a knife. Oh, let's go! Oh, bet. Happy WALLOHEENs. Man, it's dark as fuck. God. Scared myself there. Oh, Innate, thank you for the 10 stream streak. Hell yeah. Wait, thank you. I appreciate that. Y'all are crazy though. I cry every birthday because I'm still obsessed with being 8. You know, that's so fucking valid though. And all the Halloween Town movies. Hell yeah. Wait, I need to send a text. The funny thing is, I'm pretty sure he can hear me. Yes, he can. I want to be 11 since I was 8 because that was the average age I could ride. Oh my god, I love that. I just say fucking French. Fuck. Oh, that's a hype train emo? Oh. I have no idea. Like, honestly, 8's a cool number. Very smooth, very round. I like it. Okay, so that's this room. Oh, it's the dining room. Chandelier and ornate mirror. Okay. Coming. Oh, I can get 2 in 1. It looks like chandelier. I know for a fact something is gonna pop up in these fucking photos. I know it. Smooth like my brain. You're right. Your brain is not smooth. It's so wrinkly. So smart. Oh, I didn't get the mirror in that? What the hell? We beat the pool one. We tried to do the other one after that. But it was really hard, so we just switched to the log cabin. And then time ran out. And it was very sad. But we will be playing it again next week. Actually, I might play it after this if we finish this fast. Does that count? There we go. You want the crypt badge? What's the crypt badge? This is the indie horror. Yeah. We're in a haunted house. The skull? Chat, you see that link right there? Last day of Halloween merch. Tomorrow it will be gone. It will come back a little bit later because I need to buy them for myself. But I'm not going to tell you guys when that is, and it's probably going to be at like 3 a.m. So order it now. If you want it, get it. If you need extra days, let me know and I'll put it on a couple extra days if anyone needs time. Tabernacle! I actually knew that, which is kind of annoying. There's no word for fuck? What? Damn. Fridge, sink, kitchen table, stove. Fuck, no, do not fuck the fuck. Do not fuck the seal. No, please. What happened? Oh, damn. You got paid him. Listen, if anyone needs extra days, just let me know. Woke up, been past like 3 different streams on random. Yes, multiple times. I used to have Twitch open all night, and I'd wake up in the weirdest streams, and it's like, "Oh, you got a gifted sub," and I'm like, "Okay." It's cool though. I had so many emotes from that. A lot more than I care to admit. Listen, it's just gotta be done. What the fuck was that? Okay, the sounds are really good in this game, and I fucking hate it. Kitchen table. And the stove. I don't like this. Oh. Oh. I'll allow it. I'll allow it. It's not an actual Omar was like, "Whoa, hold on, hold on." That'd be sick. Though honestly, sometimes I just leave Twitch open on my computer. I just see where the raids take me. I was gifted so many subs. Yeah, same. September's wild for fucking random subs. Agnella, congrats on 469. Nice. Frogs, how are you? You shut your peeps in the car door. Fuck. And you're being held by Christmas carolers. You're being held hostage. Okay. Now he said these keys were gonna be easy to find. They are not. La cuisine française. French cooking. I might give those recipes a go. Let's take a picture of the recipes. Early day piracy, but with books. We should play Pumpkin Panic. We should play Pumpkin Panic, guys. It's Halloween. Let's be a pumpkin. I just ate someone's toast and drank their juice. Thank you. Moisturize me. 1,000. Holy shit, that's a lot. You know what? I'm gonna eat everything in the fridge. Oh, all you can eat. I knew it was gonna be an achievement. I fucking knew it. It's such a good game. I love it. Oh, don't drink the bleach. Okay, but for real, where's this key? Ah. Thank you for the flash. That knife looks suspiciously shiny and sharp. I don't like that. So he lied about the keys being like, you know, just out there. Toast 2 weeks, 2-week-old toast. Sometimes it's just gotta be done, you know. Casual mold. That's fine. A little mold never hurt anyone, he said. Also, where's the bear in this room? There's no water? How y'all pissing? Y'all ain't flushing? You nasty. Oh, it's open. Son of a bitch. Now... keep me on. Sometimes you just gotta make your own anal way. Imagine. I mean, you being held, you are. I would hold you shipped. I would. They were in fact not pissing me. Why did the date just turn red when it's been orange this whole time? Oh, you guys can't even see the date. It's covered by me. Oh, I never turned my overlay stuff back on. Fuck. 1 second. 1 sec, 1 sec. Oh? Nice. Nice. You didn't piss your pants though. You didn't piss your pants, which is good. And I definitely didn't forget to add that sound that Death sent me yesterday. Shit. My chests are open. Did I have any milk? Whipped cream? Was it good though? I also didn't have milk for coffee or cereal and I was very upset. Type like, eat them, cleans your insides, sir. Don't make me be. I love that. Damn, 83% dramatic. Damn. Sketching cuddles in California. Oh, man, I don't want to be square. What the fuck? Oh! Did y'all see that? I'm not tripping. I saw a ghost. Okay. Yeah, that's why I turned it off. Don't make it. Oh, okay. I thought you guys couldn't see the corners and stuff. But if it doesn't make a difference, that's fine. Makes my life easier. Thank you for the clip. Ducks. Now, I saw that ghost. Oh, okay. Cool. Thanks. Where's the office? I'm so sorry, Koo. To whip up coffee. I love that. I love the emo after that too. That's a good one. God damn it. I didn't see shit. So same. Upstairs? Where are these keys? Oh, hell no. That was so dark. I hated that. Fuck. Oh my god. That actually scared the fucking shit out of me. Your costume didn't turn out. No. What was you going to be? I can hear someone in there. What room is this? Laundry room? Clothes hanger, ironing table, washing machine. Washing machines live longer with Calgon. That's gonna be a British thing. I don't think you guys get that. No, literally. There's a demon in the washing machine. Oh, key! Sheets room? You got a fucking room for your sheets? What kind of fancy ass shit you fucking living in? Oh, no. No, I hate that. No. Damn it. That would have been so good. What the fuck? Ah! There was someone in the window! I fucking saw that. I saw that. Man, I hate that. That's why I hate spray paint sometimes. Like, some people are like, ooh, you gotta peel it while it's wet. And there's some people are like, ooh, no, wait till it's properly dried till you peel it. And it's like, how do I not peel the dried paint? And it's like, nobody fucking tells me that. Like, sewn. Oh my god, I love that. That would be sick. Would have been the most majestic one. Don't sew it. Wait, just god damn it. I do not have a room for just sheets. All got sheets rooms? God damn it. They have a TwitchCon similarity. I don't think they have a Canadian TwitchCon. I don't think so. Have I been in here? I don't think I have. Oh, demon in the bath! I saw that. Y'all saw that. Don't lie to me. I must HSB too, but he be working. But it's okay. We still love him. Would have been really funny if there was a demon on the toilet. Those American Twitch cons in the USA, then there's European. Yeah. Twitch, yeah. Oh, there's a mannequin in the sheets room. We are not going in the sheets room. Fuck that room. Where's the light switch? I don't want to be here in the fucking dark. You crazy? Stop that. Doesn't tell much. A VHS, but y'all don't have a VHS player. Y'all just got a DVD player. Mannequin in the sheets, but a freak on the streets. Oh, that's actually really bad. Taking photo. Yeah, they were like, listen, I just want to have a bath, God. Am I being fat shamed by the game? Let me click on this. There we go. The Discman's still on. Must be tough getting any rest here if they need music to sleep. No, I can sleep with music on. You should just call them sex. Who's got sex dolls? I knew it. See. I did. It's some. If you have good internet, it's really good. Otherwise, it's just so fucking laggy. Yesterday I got off the couch and began clearing out the yard with all the twigs, leaves and trash that was littered all around. There was some tools left outside the house on that wooden shed outside, so that made things easier. Don't cheat on the mannequin. You're like, no, the mannequin's going straight in the bed. They're all called me? Hell yeah, I feel honored. I swear to God, ow. As I was mowing the lawn, I saw this person in the distance just standing behind the trees watching me. Always watching Wazowski. I yelled for them to leave, but they just stood there watching. I ran back inside the house, locked everything up, loaded my 38, sat by the staircase, aiming the gun at the front door. This morning I went outside, things seemed normal. I think I might be losing it. This is me. Unless that's more. Hell yeah. Nice. So I bought a projector to use when I'm at Dale's, and we realized that also has the Steam thing on there, but it also has Amazon's gaming thing, the Amazon Luna, and we tried that out yesterday on just like normal browser. There's a lot of fucking good games on there, I'll be honest. Voigly. Me when I can't fucking read. But no, it's actually good. Fuck, I get shivers down my spine just thinking about it. Oh. Is that a hammer? Why is there a hammer on the floor? Hot. Why am I going through people's drawers? I'll show you Voigly. Ooh, ooh. Why is this here? Odd placement too. Something's off. Well, yeah, the light's off. Duh. I feel like asking Asp. Literally me when I can't fucking read. These are all coming up as me not being able to read. Drazistan in turmoil. An inside look at the ongoing war. Just can't leave each other alone. True. Yeah, true. You gotta check. You gotta check. Is the bedroom done? Armchair and ceiling fan. Live without my spaghetti nipple friendship. That's a good quote. I was expecting someone sat in the chair, but I found another Lufufu. Oh, Space Bay. Oh, he's got the Dead Space outfit on. That's cute. That is such a good quote, Aspen. How have we not seen that one again? What the fuck? Yes, Pissy. That's a good one. The fuck did you just call me? We ain't got no light switch in here? Fuck me. That scared the shit out of me. Okay, there's no light switch here. I don't like it. I'm leaving. That was too scary. Too fast, too scariest. Oh, animals on the island. Wait, what? Like, even if you go through the Twitch thing? Oh, they turned the light off. Oh, no. Oh, there's blood on the light switch. Ah, fuck. Aspen, thank you for the flash. Shit. So I've toned down that. Nah. You don't need to tone that down. That shit's funny as hell. Hopefully. Hope so. Trying to limit the loss. Sometimes you have to. They get a bit quirky sometimes. Oh! Stop doing that. Does that? Oh my god! Imagine. Canada, Germany. What? That's so dumb. That sucks. Ghost in the bed. Why, yo? Why were you face down? You trying to get 8? Like, what the fuck? Hello? What, Zuna? They changed Amazon Gaming. Like, you know when Amazon, you link your Twitch account and they give you like free games and stuff. They changed all that to Amazon's Luna. Yeah, and now they have like cloud gaming and stuff, so you could just game through the browser. They had some decent games. They had Resident Evil 2 on there, which is literally just play it on the browser. Thanks for the purple. That's a nice color. I like that. Scuba diving. Keep your cape in the car for a minute. You gotta be done. Europa. Y'all got any other stuff in here? These go. I am not for sale. What the fuck? These games are freaky, man. You never know what these ghosts are up to. Oh, there's your VHS player. And it's got a little foo-foo in front of it. Oh, what the hell? Beautiful women. A pinup magazine? What's it doing hidden here? They're joking it, my guy. That's why they're hiding it. Hi, Lily. Travel safe. I hope you're having a good day. Oh, analog bear. I'm spinning like a ballerina. So I have to do it every time. What am I taking pictures of in here? The drawer on the TV. I don't know what that sound was. I'm gonna pretend like I didn't hear that. Little jerk and spurt, exactly. Is the ghost still in the bed? No, okay. That's way too fake. Something happens. Don't fucking whisper in my ear like that, you little freak. Ugh. Ah! Goob! Good morning. How are you? I don't like that. I did not like that. Something had eyes and it ran down the stairs. Oh, horrific. Horrific. But good morning. How are you? Happy Halloween! Stop that. Am I doing good? Do you like the work? Hi! Renee, thank you for the bits. I appreciate that. Hi, Diva. Okay, I was expecting it to be gone when I opened the thing. Covered long case clock and covered sofa. Did it get you? It did get me. Fuck. Please don't moan the ads. Office key. This house is fucking cursed. Things are not normal. I hear sounds I shouldn't hear because I'm alone. I hear footsteps. I can see something in the dark and it doesn't look human. I saw that too. Last week I began placing floodlights everywhere because the house lights flickering, turning off by themselves. And the lights will flicker on and off. Ooh, it's the hash slinging, mash flinging, smash flinging. The hash slinging slasher. Sorry, I was a big fan of that episode of SpongeBob. Even burning out, there's something breaking them. Bending the metal, I don't see it happen. I don't hear it. I placed the floodlights, the next day they're trashed. Today my car has no gas, even though I filled the tank yesterday. Tried walking the road to get back to town, but I walked for 5 minutes and when I looked back, the house was just a few feet away from me. A curse, a haunting, bad juju, whatever it is, it's mocking me, toying with me as if I would pray. I don't know what to do. Oh, fuck, we're dead. I'll sling your hash in a minute. Ooh. Smash dinging, that's what it was. Hey. Striking a pose, thanks. There's the clock. Now, why is the shoes in front? Oh, I fucking knew it was gonna disappear. I fucking told you guys it was gonna disappear. I knew it. I knew it. It was waiting for me to turn around. That mannequin better not be in the house. It better not be walking around. I swear to God. I say it's just a weird thing to... It's true. Live with a roomie. I need to. Oh, I love that. Macat jail with cheese? Does a roomie need to be human? Yes. Yes, it does. Recommended, not required. Oh. Sometimes you need a human, though. I'm pretty sure. You know what? That's true. Dogs! Work well. Man, fuck you. And cats. And cats. Got the office, upstairs hall. Oh, fuck. Don't move, you little freak. Just for frogs and frogs, any pets, yeah. Pets are great. Console table, main hallway painting, perfect. All in one. Don't fucking turn my lights out again, I swear to God. He is! That's today. Chat, make sure you're in Katz's stream today. Wait to get more, you will get more, hell yeah. Boyfriends can also be pets. Very true. Tortoises! I want a frog so bad. Where's the storage room? And where's the office? They downstairs? I don't like that mannequin out there, man. Don't whisper him. Oh my God, what the hell? Did y'all see that? Faye, hello, congrats on Frog, how are you? 15 minutes snuggle session with... I love that, that's so cute. I am boyfriend and I get pets, it's very nice, hell yeah. Chat, I made the mistake of not going to piss before playing this game. Why is the walls gone moldy? Are we in J.K. Rowling's house? Are we about to get really, really crazy? Keep an eye on her, nice. Go, hi, welcome in. Oh, there's this room. There's this room. I forgot about that. Oh, there's a skull. Oh, that skull badge. How do you get that? Shared the best 2025 Fright. Oh, so there should be clips from yesterday. Yesterday I was in the Fright Fest category. If you just share that, copy the link or download a clip from yesterday, you'll be good. Honestly, it's a good first chat. Good first chat. She's oh yeah, nail. The back scratches are the vibe. That's the true nightmare. You're right. Or making them, you know. I think you just gotta. Yeah, just download it. Find a clip from yesterday on my stream. I had Fright Fest category on, so you should be good to do that. Made shit. Sometimes it takes a couple of days. Hold on, give me 1 second. Up. So, 24 hours. No? Oh, it was 2 days ago. It wasn't yesterday. Download. So, if you just click on that, click share, download it, or just copy the link, it'll register as you've shared a Fright Fest clip, and you should be good to get the badge soon. The emotes, I have no idea. I ain't got a clue. I didn't even know there was other stuff, to be fair. The Witcher show? Oh, I didn't know that. Try to figure out how to make redeems, what you could use for a couple of... There's so many ideas. YouTube is your best friend. And if you're streaming on PC, mix it up. Oh, I can look at my gallery. Ugh. There was the ghost in the bed, face down. I'm pretty sure I love that. My pet Snow is so fucking cute. Participating collabs, watching or just chatting those. Oh, I think you have to be watching someone doing a collab. But I don't know if there's a lot of people doing them. I think they have to be in the Fright Fest category too, which is strange. This office is very, very strange. Very demonic. Someone seems to attempt to erase the painting's title. Something truly evil. It's odd. The painting lacks a date of creation. That's weird. That's suspicious. Keep in perfect time. You should get the little badge next to your name soon with the little skull. Little skull badge. What am I taking pictures of in here? Bookcase, clock, statue, table. And now just a clock. Oh! Why is it making time go fast? Take a pic of the picture? Yeah, definitely. Damn, nothing freaky. Is that child holding a knife? Sophia, Ember of... Oh! 5? Oh, Grayson, so 1? Need a key for this. So we have a 1 and a 5. Guessing it's for the safe. Unsettling and difficult to identify. It looks very strange. Ooh. Ah. Why did the lamp scare me? Mars. Oh, you could get a globe for a different planet? The downpour. Ooh. Holy haunting. Ah. Thank you for the flash. Well, I don't like that. Okay, so First number's 1. Last number's 5. Fucking hell, the chase scared me. Nine 5? 1955? No. 1595? No. Shit. Yeah, the no eyes is terrifying. Oh. I read all the notes. I don't know. 1998. The front door disappeared and my new door appeared on the first floor by the restroom. I opened the door and went down. It was so cold with stone walls, and the path just went on until I got lost in the maze. There was something down there. I saw it, ran so fast, and somehow, after what felt like hours, I made it back. I drew a second map of the maze and placed it inside the safe in case anyone ever read this. I can't write the password here. I think it can understand basic text. I've scattered the password in the office. You'll figure it out. Sorry about the empty gun in advance. I went to sleep with it under the pillow. The next day I woke up with it laying on my chest out of bullets. This thing is mocking me. I hope you have ammo for it. Fuck. Yeah, it sounded like it. It sounded like it. Nee 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 nee. So it's 1. Ends with 5. And what did the book have? Once something 25. One 925. The 9 I'm getting from the clock. 1525. Yes. It was the clock. I was right. First I was afraid. I was petrified. I've got a map for a labyrinth by my brave soul. Yeah, we can still take the gun. Flintstones? I don't know the Flintstones theme tune, actually. Oh, there's a storage room key right there. Oh, hell yeah, Daddy. Good luck. I appreciate you. I've already pissed my pants. It's too late. Husk bear. Yeah, bear. I don't remember it. Wee woo. Avignella's pissed his pants. Pants business in chat. Shame. 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 Wait.
Shame. Shame. Shame.
That's what I want to play. Wait, why are you dumb? How did you not know? No, you're not dumb, Daddy. Oh, yeah. Really wanted to be boned by Avagnella the Gravedigger. Nice. Is that your formal title? Okay, storage room. Where was the storage room again? This is a bathroom, not the storage room. Fuck, it's stuck in my head, Koo. Fuck. This is storage room. Oh, the mannequin's gone again. Fuck. Boobies. Mannequin. Oh, mannequin. This isn't the storage room, you silly bitch. Boobies. I always used to do that in the calculator every time. Didn't even like boobs. Is this storage? Oh, God. Piece of fluff like flew on my face. That fucking scared me. Now, why is this on? Broken down, yeah. Vagina pinata, nice. Why so many? Yes. Hey, Diva. How you doing? Sims vagina pineapple. This is loud. Bear. I'm spinning like a collar pill. What's a collar pill, bear? They're for sale. He's not for sale. He's not for sale. No, no, no. No, no. I'll take a picture of this. Take a picture? Take a picture of the Nickelodeon, the shelf. Is he gonna be fucking gone? No, okay, cool. I'm not gonna close the door. Come get you. He's right. He's mine already. 7. What the fuck was that? Nah, nah, nah. Nah, that's not what I took a picture of. Can't go back. There we go. Nah. No, no, I was gonna say $7 million I'm paying. But I got scared. No one can outbid. Nope. $7, same. Oh. No! No! He's already gone. I've already bought him. Well, I didn't buy him. No. No. Okay, I've taken all the pictures. How do I get to the thing? I didn't buy him. I didn't buy him. I bought him things. I bought him things. No, no. No. Please. No. Sir, could you fucking move, please? You're in the fucking way. Yeah, exactly. I bought it with love. Exactly, exactly. When I'm able to get out the house and be occupied all the time. I love that. Cancel. No, please. Please. How the turns have tabled. Let's go. No, no, no. I didn't buy him. I didn't buy him. I just gave him love. That's what we call gaslighting. Gaslighting's not even a real word, guys. What the fuck? So, can you start moving, please? You're really starting to freak me out. Blink nah, he's fine. He's fine. Oh, I don't like this knocking. Oh God. Oh. Oh. That does speak. No. No. Oh, he fine. Oh, I don't like this. This is what happened to JK. She let the mold go crazy and an extra door came out of nowhere. Once you go through the door, there's no going back. Wait, I don't know if I have all the bears though. Wait, he hasn't said anything. Guys, he's working. He's working. Finish. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 more bears. Thank you for the clip and for the flash. I got hiccups. Oof. What the fuck was that? Okay, fine. I guess I won't leave. I didn't like that. That was horrible. That was disgusting. Don't jump scare anyone. So actually, to be fair, some people would want some. Late, because I'm a marketing manager. He's working late. Please tell them I don't have you hostage. I didn't force you into this. He is a willing participant. Guys, he asked me out. Show me your willy. Okay, I think we gotta go in. Is there anyone in the microwave? Oh! I knew you were gonna be in the microwave. The microwave, sorry. Sorry. Okay, wait, there might be some more dolls there. Let's have a quick little look. Blink twice. See? No blinking. See? In the oven? No one in the oven. Okay. I'm working late. It's stuck in my ooh yeah. Cause I'm a singer. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, because if you can't knock them out, make them tap. What? He's too scared to blink. What's this? I don't like that picture. That gives Elon Musk vibes, that does. Takami Raiden lease LSI takes import scene by storm. Actually turbocharged, nice. Also feel second cry for help. No guys, he's fine, I swear. I swear. Can't open them. I just want the bears. And he's fine. He loves the basement. His favorite place. Wait, what did that say? Games where you're chased by monsters. I thought that said something about chains. I was gonna start laughing there. That would have been really funny. Did we get a bear from here? Yeah, we did from that box. His chains on the brain. Gotta double check his chain. I mean, what? Gotta make sure he can't escape. I don't think there's any more bears. Up here anyway. There might be some downstairs. Damn, no chains. No chains. See? See. Banger song though. Okay, fuck it. Let's go in the door. Bears be damned. A very strange feature to have in your house. The cave. He's been Stockholm. No! He's been homestucked. No. Why can't I run? Oh, it's closing behind me. Oh my god! No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, piss. Oh, piss. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like him. That's very American, the 1800s. Listen, I was even there. Oh. Ooh, I wasn't there for that. That was the one time I wasn't alive. Now, how about we don't say words in the mysterious cave? Help! He's gonna pop up again, isn't he, the little bitch? Oh, wait, I forgot I had a map. Fuck. You fucking bitch. Okay, so we came in. We went right. We went straight. This is the crossroads here. No. I didn't cut you guys. I would never cut you guys. We need to keep going straight. And then left. Oh my god, this is so confusing. Fuck it, let's just explore. Yeah, I cut you guys off, yeah, from the crack. You guys were getting too feisty with the drugs. Oh, there's nothing here. So the piss crystals are fine. Oh. Well, I found the statue. No, I would never hurt Pissy. Hi, guys. Smile. I love Pissy. What do you mean? Can I touch you guys? Oh, I can walk through you, though. Oh, God. What is that? Thank you for the flash. Hey, Diva. Diva, you okay? Can I touch you? Oh, okay. I hear demonic whispering. Ooh. Oh! Shit. Oh, I don't like that. I hate that. Okay. I think if I leave through this one, I can get to the exit. What's that? Ghost with a note. Why did I come here? I knew that voice sounded strange, but something was off about it. There's an ad coming in 40 seconds. Now I'm trapped, hurt, wanting to die. I can still hear it mimicking the voices of people I know. That's terrifying. Oh, the ghost is gone. Well, that's freaky. Probably the wrong way. There's no ad in there. Actually. No, in my name. In my name. Fuck. You scared me, you fucker. It's me. I'm an ad. It's me. Oh, he whipping that shit. Oh, he whip his hair back and forth. He whip his hair back and forth. Oh, the flash. He does not care about the flash. I'll whip my hair back and forth. I'll whip my hair. Damn, he really doesn't care. Up there, turn right, go down. Hi. Okay. Now, why did I say that? Oh, another ghost. Okay. Yeah, it's literally, it's gonna pull up anything with my name in it, that's it. Oh no, wait. Spreads. Spreads. I'm a little bit lost, I think. Wait, yeah, because I'm facing him again. Oh my god, he was right fucking there. I think this way we haven't been. Nice, nice. Love that. Hopefully it goes nice and smooth. Let's remind me, I need to do my my delayed train fee thing. I want my money back. Oh! Have to follow the sound? What? Oh! Mistress? New name? Hello? Congrats on Frog. Love it. Happy Ween! How are you, mistress? How have you been? What does it mean, follow the sound? No, not this way. Wait, did I read this? Welcome back from ads? Yes. It's Halloweener! Oh no. Are you getting rain? I would have just been cold, but like not raining today. Ooh, ooh. I can't follow the sound because the sound keeps disappearing. I'm gonna try it this way then. Last Halloween was warm and sunny, but it was great. Cold last. Damn. Okay, this looks promising. Oh, I hate. That's the worst. Everything just feels damp. That's that dead end. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I'm so sorry to hear that. What the fuck? What the fuck? You can face on stream vibes. Shit. Listen, if you need to chat, my DMs are open for you. Got you. Hell yeah. Oh, you little bastard. Hey guys. Did nothing but just chatting for the last 4 days. Hell, listen, having a good yap on stream is a fucking vibe, though. I have no idea where the fuck I am now. Shit. That little fucker's gonna come running after me, I know it. No way have I come back here. What? How? Logic must be... Yeah, exactly. Now it's time to focus on you. Oh god. That's the whipper. Must have been the wind. He be Putin. Not like Putin, but farting Putin. Dead end. Oh, that's a new whipper. I think. No, it's not. How the fuck? If you could bend what element would it be? Ooh. Ooh. Fire. I'm already bent, Koo. Oh god. Oh god. He waited for me to open my map, little bitch. War would be cool, but I would love to just throw fire at people sometimes. Just straight to the fucking dome. Piss me off. No more here for you. Ah, exactly. What the fuck? I think this is the only way I haven't been yet. I didn't come in straight on there, I think. Oh, there we go. Let's rotate to these discs, each disc with a carved symbol in it. Similar symbols. Oh, fuck. Whoa. We saw that one. Oh, what is emotion with emotional intelligence and inner peace? Oh, easiest way by your immediate. That is very true. Very true. Have a good shower, Koo. Don't think about it too much. Oh, God. I don't like this game anymore. I haven't seen any other symbols, I'll be honest. I might have to cheat. Because that maze is very confusing and I don't think I'll make it through. Oh, why do we drop frames? I don't like that noise. I don't know if this actually pauses the game. Wait, no one's talking about the fucking thing? No one has the answer on Steam? Shit. Blood bending a penis. That would be funny. That would actually be funny. Something's coming. I don't think anyone's gonna have the answer. Ah, okay. No! Little shitbag. We're so close to the end. Okay. Please stop muffling noises, please. Thank you. Very self-aware. It's the ween! The weenie is the ween! So it's that one we got right. This one is this. No? I can't see the last one very clearly. It's got like a cross on it. That one. Are you kidding me? Oh no, he put the first one in wrong. I mean the last one in wrong. I was like, are you kidding? Oh, we shaking. Oh, we moving and grooving. Make a house out. That is true. And if you have a friend that's a firebender, if you make it like out of mud, you can make it into bricks instantly. What in the fuck is going on here? Oh no, you fuck. Hello? Hi. Is this the welcome desk? Oh, that's a lot of ghosts. I thought you guys were candles. Oh, y'all want me to get in this? I'm not gonna stay in that. I'm gonna stay out there. Yeah, 100%. Guys, what do you want? You want me to go up here? Is it the guy I gotta speak to? Piss River, yes. Oh, oh. Okay, that is what I'm supposed to be doing. No, 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 no. There's no way, right? Oh, thank God. Oh. Well, that was scary. So there's like a cooldown when I press the flash, when I can press it again. And that was on cooldown. Honestly, mate, I agree. I flash with the cooldown. Once the cooldown's done, I'm ready to flash again. Oh, it's like lights. Get out of here. Ew, they come out of the coffin thing. Ew. Oh, I love that. That's cool. Is that rain? Nope, he's pissing. Is he gonna come back? Yes, he is. Bitch. Get flashed. That is so freaky. You have lovely voices, by the way. Very, Mongolian throat singing-esque. Oh my god, why are you faster? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh my god, no, that was too close. That was too close. Hell yeah. Do you really want to get up? Nah. Why am I dropping frames? What the fuck is going on? Oh my god, I almost fucking died because of stupid fucking OBS. Listen, if your tentacles aren't vibrating, are they proper tentacles? Let's go, we're going in the shower with an ain. No, 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 no! How am I supposed to, the cooldown though? Do I have to start? I have to start again. That's so annoying. Okay, we gotta do the shortest ones first then, I guess. Or I have to move faster, I guess. I mean, yeah, I guess. I can't do it from a distance, okay. Oh, there we go, dropping frames again. Why? Nothing's being used to its maximum capacity game. I mean, OBS. Why not, you little freak? No? There he is. Oh, it looks like I killed one in the tubber as well. Okay. Wait, just wait up here. Now go. And now we've got a long path that we can get chased on. Oh my god, no! No, no, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. That's bullshit though. Imagine a freak knowledge. Are we good? Is the lighting good for you? Oh my. He just wanted a photo shoot. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh. He just wanted a photo. That was it. That was actually a good game. God damn. I'm sad that I missed the bears though. I missed so many bears. Oh, that's what it said. GZKE on the clock. It's the programmer's name. Vids, Cooley, Empathetic Lotus. Empathetic. Shy Louise. I won? I won. Thank you, mistress. They are fucking humongous. Yay! Chris, hello, congrats on Frog. How are you? Like, are you sure there are any other endings? Kaylin, hello. Congrats on Frog. How are you? Mogus. Oh, we broke the mix up. Hold up. I've never actually seen Avatar. I'm working late. No, don't be silly. Big Chungus, thank you for the 7th stream streak. Now, is there other endings or are they lying to me? Because that's Baze. Look at where you're driving. Found the weeping bit. I'm out of here. Chickened out. That's what she said? I haven't watched any of it at all. Let's see. Can I like grab your steering wheel?
I mean, it is a long way from the city, but the scenery is beautiful. It's the rumors, right? Wait, you don't know? Anyway, I almost forgot, but I won't be able to pick you up once you're done. I have to drop some stuff off.
No.
Alright, you should go now. Good luck and thanks for the call, okay?
Stop. Oh! Oh! She just ran me over. She just said, nah, bang, dead. That's wild. That's actually wild. Great ending, I think. Thank you for the clip. Okay. Now what the hell is that? That's what she said? What's the hidden one? Chicken out. Okay. Let's see.
I mean, it is a long way from the city, but the scenery is beautiful. It's the rumors, right? Listen, don't let them put you off. Okay. I'm just saying. Anyway, I almost forgot, but I won't be able to pick you up once you're done. I have to drop some
I
stuff
can't
off.
make her say anything to do with that's what she said.
Alright, you should go now. Good luck and thanks for the call, okay?
I wonder if there's bears hidden out here somewhere. I actually really like this game though. It was pretty good. Decent scary stuff. Nothing insanely terrifying. Good sound though. Sound very good. Jesus. Is there a bear behind here? Oh, that's the symbol from down the thing. Dog collar? No, that's fucked up. Smells awful. They killed the fucking dog. That's fucked up. What did he ever do to you? Nothing. Shining! Congrats on Frog. How are you? No, you are not the dog. Oh, Cosmic Bear. Not gonna lie, thought that was Mothman Bear for a second. No dying allowed, Shining. Illegal. Against the rules. I was the dog. Never. Oh, wait. What the hell is this room then? Are we allowed in here? No. There's no vanishing here. You have no power here. Oh, we never went around the house either. Like, did we? No, wait, did we? We saw the doghouse. We never got in there. Some of the stuff I don't think you can get in. Unless the keys are extra hidden. Thank you so much, Mistress. I appreciate it. I hope you have a lovely day. Shining is alive. Why? I know, right? I love it. He not dead. He lying. Don't listen to him. Can I leave? So photo stick. Abandon the job and go home. There we go. There we go. 4% full of piss. Not bad. Oh, we got a taxi. Nice. 13%. Damn. So low. 13, 14, 95. Damn. I don't know what the other ones are. Okay, shall we? Pumpkin panic or observe some duties. Ow! Fuck, I just stabbed myself in the wrist. Shit. Shall we? Oh, we got a comment on a video. Am I being hate crimed? No. Always gotta check. Thank you. I appreciate that. You vote PP, bet. Trailer for stream. I watched it last night. It does look good. Why have I got the Nickelodeon fucking theme tune in my head now? Nickelodeon. Oh? Did I just open the same game again? Yeah, why did it open the... I clicked on Pumpkin Panic. What do you mean? Yeah. Quit. Pumpkin Panic. Please. Thank you. Pumpkin Panic. Ooga booga, Jeff, thank you for the 10 stream streak. I appreciate it. How are you? SpongeBob works. Cool face shining, nice. We haven't even completed normal to get to nightmare mode, which is so fucked up. How do you even complete normal mode? Should be working on the farm. Listen, I'm already up. How do I water things? Oh no, I forgot how to play it. Space. Hi, Crow. What did we name the crow? Does anyone remember what we named him? Wait, let me get my outfit on. And my pet. Where's my pet? Frog. Let's go, buddy. All black. Come along, Fred. I should have done the tutorial again. I don't remember how to play this. Uh, did I play this with the controller last time? I feel like I did. Because it feels very awkward holding all the buttons at once. Oh, do you want to turn on controller? Thank you. It was, yeah, it was definitely on controller. And that was sprint. Yeah. So much better on controller. Welcome back from ads. What other upgrades do we need? We definitely need the seed upgrade, sprint, and then crops. Go. Little slurp slurp. Oh god. Why is he coming now? It's not even nighttime yet. Fred, get in the house quick. Fred, get in. Where is he? Hi. We gotta listen for the sound for him to leave. Kitchen nightmares means he's gone. Fred, get out the house. Come on. We don't have time for dilly-dallying. Alright, fine. You stay in the house. Stay safe. Oh, I forgot we had to collect sticks and stuff. Go collect stuff. Because we need sticks to do fishing. Yes. Come on. You can go faster than this. Is there really nothing? No sticks? Thank you. What do I need for this? 6 sticks and 6 brambly things. I see a stick. Gib. Oh my god, it's Friday. Ugh, stop that. I want my crops to be worth more. Okay, should I get a lantern now? Do we get one now? No. Yes, maybe. We'll see how much money I get from this. Only 47? Oh, I definitely can't get that. It's 120. Bread. Always getting stuck everywhere. My god, I need to upgrade the speed for the water. Okay, we're fine. Them. Let's grab some brambly things. Oh fuck. Oh, we need to run. Oh god, we're gonna die. We're so dead. That was close. He was there. Haha. Kitchen nightmares. Funnily enough, she wasn't. She's downstairs. Oh yeah, we go to the fucking clown in the night. God damn it. That takes way too long. Based on the crops. Fuck, I did it again. It's gonna be stuck in my head. When I pull the lantern, it's wide to pull out the lantern. We do have one. But we gotta use it carefully. Where's that clown gonna be at? God. Hate that. Stop! Yeah, I think I need like 2 more twigs. Oh. Where you at, clown? You in the corner today? Are you not? There you are. Thank you. Such a kind guy, you know? His brother, on the other hand, piece of shit. Get in the house. I don't know if that guy can jump out of the well when it's dark. I hope not. Oh my god, yes he can. Oh my god, yes he can. Yes he can. Yes he can. Oh. Oh my god, is he chasing me? Hello? Okay. Sure. We have some kitchen nightmare sounds, please. Shit. I have to go give him his balloon? Oh, thank God. That timing was wild. Where is he? Clown. There you go. Happy Halloween. Oh my God, something's coming. Oh no, what that was. I don't think I've ever heard that before. Something fucking growled? Yo, can I get some daytime, please? That's the candle going out for the shadow girl. This is so risky. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Okay, I have enough to make the fishing stuff now too. Yay, daytime! Woohoo! Nice, let's go build our fishing stuff so we can sell some fishies. Nice. Come on, pull it in. Ooh, woo. I'll be back then, fine. Gosh. The deer. Oh, I forgot about the deer. Bruce. Bruce, step back. Also, I have no idea where the fuck Fred is. Ah! Crow, thank you. Oh. Thank you, Shining. Because we love Fred. That didn't even fully refill my oil. Where's that little dear bitch? There he is. Oh, he's waiting. He knows. He knows I'm trying to fucking water my plants. Come here. You piece of shit. I know, right? Imagine trying to scare me. Little old me. Go ahead, transform. Yeah, you little freak. Oh. Now, is he gone? No, but the other guy's coming now. And I know, right? After, like, as I pressed end stream. Terrible. Can't believe it. There he is. I need to come outside for a second because the candles are going out. Come on. And the deer's right outside the house. I just got bamboozled by everyone. The deer was outside, the scroller was there, and Shadow Girl came out. I didn't even get to catch my fish. This game is evil, man. Hey, Crowbert. We're gonna call you Robert now. No, no, Robert. Crow's pissing me off. Also, if the deer pops up day 2, is there something that pops up on day 3? Let's have Crobert. Crobert, let's go. Like, I don't think I've ever gotten that far. No, I'm gonna close it before I even end stream. I won't. I will forget. And that needs 4 gears. Okay. And new enemy to repo. Oh hell yeah! Oh, I love that. I miss repo. Also, that new one, RV there, yeah, looks very good. It looks very funny. Let's try a purple outfit today. Alright. But the new one's more like peak, not repo. Robert, can you go get some twigs for me, please? I would like to catch some fish. I hate how fast the water runs out on the first day. Oh, he coming. Oh, I shouldn't have risked it. I shouldn't have risked it. Ah! We're okay. Yeah. Alright, calm down. Why'd he come out twice? Rude shit. And 3 times? That's just rude. 4 times? Kitchen nightmares. Remember, chat. Last day for Halloweeny merch. Can I put the stick in here? No. Oh, ah! He's taking for the flash. Who you calling weenie? I don't remember the rest of the line, to be fair. No, it wasn't. That wasn't it. He said, "Wait, who you calling Pinhead?" I love Patrick. Let's fill you up. 14 seeds. Nice. Oh, we got 69 coins. Nice. Nice. That was some good spending right there. Wait, is the red area for this stuff? No. These are all different. Can I grow any more of these? No, I can't. Okay. I don't want to fuck with other seeds yet. Okay, we'll go for a quick stick check. Because I just heard a crow. There we go. 2 sticks. So generous. 3 sticks. Oh my god. 4? What the hell? Now we only need 1 more stick and then the rest of the little bushes. 3 dicks? No. Sticks. All of them. 7. 7 penises. Oh, a coin. Thanks. Frog! Did we get another frog? What the hell? Wait. Oh, he did say 7. It just sounded like part of the quote. Sell the coin. Sell 2 sticks. Robert. You keep getting stuck everywhere. So you stay in the cage for now. Fuck it. Let's fuck with different seeds. That way technically we can slow it down, but not slow down, you know? Are you done? Are you done? No pith? What? He's got to be done, right? The clown sign is up. Ran out of water. That's wild. I'm surprised we don't have a pith quote. I don't believe that. Where the clown at? That's not the sound a clown makes. Right, you are not a clown. What the fuck, Richard? Whoops. Cabbage! Oh damn, we need more water already? Let's go. Finish them. Oh god. I'll have that on. Can't be wasting oil like that. It really does. It's kind of awful. Oh, clown's here. Coming. Don't go anywhere. Please. Thank you. Put up some more water and we'll go replant our seeds. That away. Should have upgraded my water, but I was being silly. Let's stand out here for a sec. Don't want to trigger the candle stuff yet. Now we can get in. I am not getting caught out by the little demon again. Not having it. Not on my watch. Are you good? Okay, one candle's out. Kitchen nightmare sounds. Come on. Thank you. Oh, come on. I was one short. Gordon's gone. Oh, clown's here. Coming. I have your balloon. Here you go. Have a nice day. Oh, those are worth money. Oh, but I don't get more seeds back. Shit. That's not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do that. And do that. Fuck it. Becky loves sticks. Oh, we should call the crow Becky. Oh, yes, daytime. Hallelujah. Another D is here. Becky the bird. Go. I only remember Becky the bird because Ship loves Becky the bird. You want some stick? Oh, fuck. That was close. Nah, this deer is such a piece of shit. Like, why are you following me? Little weirdo. I just need one more little bush thing. There it is. Let's go. Let's go build that fishy stuff. You damn right. Oh, Aspen, can you hear me? Oh, fuck. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh. Travel safe, Pissy. I love you lots. Am I Becky? Oh my god, I might be. Happy Halloweenies. Shit, I was supposed to buy oil. Piss. It's fine, I can do that in a minute. Come on, play the kitchen nightmares. Jel, hello, how are you? I was Becky this whole time. I'm sorry. It's my secret identity. Alright, we should be good? Yes? Goodbye, Gordon. Okay, oil, oil, oil. I'm good. We played a scary house selling game earlier. Honestly, fucking terrifying. And now we're being farmers, but also being chased by monsters. Jal, you got anything fun planned for Halloween? This is more like Stardew horror. Like, if Stardew wanted to make a scary game, it would be like this. It's actually fucking terrifying. You and the boys in Discord, hell yeah. You playing anything scary though? You gotta be. Oh god. Oil. Buy oil. We'll buy 2. There we go. That's some more seeds. Oh, that's coming. PC has issues at the No! What the fuck? Why? No! I'm so sorry. That's genuinely the worst. Fuck you, dear. Faulty hardware? Shit. Hate that guy. Damn, that's so annoying. Temu Bambi is so mad. All the time. I think he's gone now, though. Nope, there he is. God damn it, I thought he would leave. Hate him. Listen, I never killed your mother, okay? That was Disney. Nah. Bambi don't want no hug. Did I get a fish? Yes. Fish. Oh my god, that was an expensive fish. That was like $200 fucking dollars. Where's Bambi? Oh my god, that was really close. I almost ran right into him. It's true though. It's true. Okay, now I can carry more seeds too. Oh, my heart's racing. Oil and light. Yep. I need it. Oh my god, relax. Bambi, stop it. God, I gotta walk around my entire garden just because of him. Did we get fish? Yes, we did. How much is it worth? Ooh, 200. Right, we can't fuck. This is every time. This is what happens when and then I die. I get greedy with the fish and stuff. No. Stay away from me. Where is the bastard? No, run out of stamina! Whoa. That was way too close. Way too close. I should have bought lighting. I didn't listen. Hated that. No, literally, my ass was gone. Oh, oh no, it's getting dark. Oh, we got 160. We just need a couple more. And we can buy the lighting. It's right there. Take a wide berth. Oh. Lighting. Let's do double lighting. Water upgrades. Okay. This is fine. He's right behind the thing. Jesus. Ah! Leave me alone. I don't want to buy Avon. With a violin. Okay, he should be gone soon. I don't know where the deer is. And where's my lighting upgrades? He's still here. Shit. Okay. Hi, clown. Thank you. Don't know where the deer is. Go collect a fish. Ooh, 300 for the fish. Let's go. Need water. Please don't pop out the well. Thank you. Where's the goddamn deer? There he is. Something's growling at me. Absolutely not. Oh, my crops are at max value. More lighting upgrades then. Jesus. Is the other clown here yet? Oh, there he is. I'm on my way. Oh no, he's on the right now. There he is. Here you go. Enjoy. Go get some fishy. Gotta upgrade. Yeah, I need the speed ASAP. Let's go do that right now. Oh, Deirdre, you almost got me. Deirdre! Woohoo! Deirdre, you're a sneaky little fucker. Exactly like that. There we go. Now we got good speed. Oh! Deirdre, I'm gonna need you to chill the fuck out. Stop following me. We can go get some good, decent upgrades now, I think. Whoa, that's speedy. Oh, I didn't throw my line out. Okay, nice, daytime. Let's go. Do we get another enemy, though? That's the real question. You can snuff. Oh, Gordon's coming, definitely. I know it. I can smell you. Oh, God. Oh, my God, I got 500 coins. Oh, my God, I was fast. Deirdre, could you move from the plants, please? I need to water those. No? Okay. Give me my fish. Another 200. Lovely. Thank you, Deirdre. Upgrades. Okay, good stuff there. Gordon. Jesus. It's cooked. It's not raw. Gordon, please, it's cooked. Are you kidding me? Deirdre. There's no way you're camping my door. Yeah, you thought you were slick. Yeah, I know how to get away from you now. Nice. Oh, was it not this door I opened? What the hell did I buy? This one? This one. Let's go fill up water and then do that. Look at him just standing there menacingly near my plants. Like a little freak. Oh. Deirdre's so menacing. Protect. Yeah, we got. Nah, Becky's safe. Fill up my oil. More seed. Ah, I need 4 more. Ah. I gotta go look at them cabbages. Oh, Deirdre, go away! Shit, I'm dead. I'm dead. Deirdre, man, I just wanted to water my crops. That was it. Stop eating me. Shit. That was pretty good though. I think that might be my best run so far. This game's fucking hard. Man, now I feel so slow. See, he's having a good munch. How are you, Seal? How you doing? Man. I know, right? I'm not on hard mode. How the hell do people do this? I'm gonna have to watch a fucking video on how the hell to do this. I don't even know how we're supposed to complete it. How long do I gotta survive? Is there a set amount of days I have to survive, or is it just buy everything? It's true, I didn't have the pug look, you're right. I don't think we've had a pug today. This is our first pugs. Oh, we have to escape. We have to escape. I need the 4 gears. That's what it was. How the hell do I buy gears? I forget. Thank you for the shiny look. I appreciate it. So we have to escape from this farm. We have to grow our plants and sell them and hide from the monsters. Okay, no, we can't recycle them. But we can buy them, no? 800 for 1 gear? Yeah. We can start, yeah, exactly. Exactly. They can't come into the house, the ones I've seen, but there is one that lives inside the house. So if you stay in the house too long, the shadow demon comes out and gets you. It's terrifying. It's such a good game, but it's so difficult. Paste it on the crops. Do. Got any sticks anywhere yet? I heard a crow. Nothing here. Oh, Gordon's coming. Let me collect my crops first, Gordon. Thank you. So these three candles here, if all three of them go out, the shadow girl comes out and kills us in the house. This is Gordon. Gordon. He does. He does. One candle out and now we gotta run. And then the candle will come back eventually. I'm doom scrolling, very present in a certain group. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so funny. So fucking funny. But I bet all the kids will be out fucking trick-or-treating and shit. They're still gonna be watching Halloween movies. It's so funny. Oh yeah. No, that one doesn't count. That one doesn't count. That's got Gordon, get out the bushes, you little freak. That one don't count. It's got Christ in the title. Oh no, don't sell my sticks yet. Thank you. These are they actually, I've gotten used to them now. They don't feel as heavy as they did before. Oh, that means we have a crow gift. Somewhere. Hopefully somewhere close. Because night time's about to fall and I think Gordon's gonna come out. See a stick over there. No, they aren't over this week. I think they're coming over next week. I'm not entirely sure actually. But I think they're gonna go trick-or-treating near where they live. Whoa! Gordon, stop that! Jesus. Why is he so active in the bushes today? Oh, nice. It looks so good. It looks so good. I want to see the finished item, please. If you don't mind. (3 p.m.? Oh, were they like really young? The moment I walk away, you'll pop up. I don't think we'll get any this year, to be fair. Gordon, I'm not ready. Okay, now you can go out. Go ahead. So angry. For no reason. Just mad. Alright, no need to bang the... That's how trick-or-treaters are in my area. Bang on the door. Give me some fucking snacks. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's fucked. I wonder if we're gonna get thunderstorms then. Everyone's been getting them, but we haven't had any rain today. Gotta get buckets of rain out. True. I like the rain, to be fair. I thrive. I thrive in my house in the rain. Did it get worse? More love. What the fuck? People are so weird, man. But everything's out of sync with them. Yeah, not for long, not for long. Autogirl, welcome in. How are you? Oh, what was that? Oh, it was a candle going out. I was like, what the hell? Oh, I love that. I don't love that. That's so sad. Black, you know what? Valid. Hopefully the rest of your day goes well. I'm good though. I'll be chilling. I was like, why can't I water this? The guy locked in your basement isn't feeling well. I hate when that happens. I am not being the allegations of having Dale in a basement with that. He's not in a basement. I swear. He's gonna come out the well. I know it. I know it. Okay, I need all these to sync up. That should help. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. I wanted to upgrade my stamina. Oh, the clown's here already? You're very early, my friend. Oh, there you are, thank God. Have a good night. Bye. I do have to cook today, unfortunately. I am starving today. Metallica, congrats on Frog. Yeah, I wish I could have streamed longer. I would have done, like, more scary games. But it's fine. We got a lot of streams coming up that are going to be longer, to be fair. Oh, 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 oh. Un, dos, tres, cuatro. Oh, there's a cat on my head. Thank you for the cat. How you doing, Metallica? How's your day been? Gordon, you gotta hurry up. I'm running out of time. There he is. Damn it, the candle still went out. Look at him go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. He's throwing it back. Next week, maybe. It's still in the air. Maybe. Therefore, oh, hell yeah. I love that. Nice. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Hey, man. Enjoy. That scared the shit out of me. Hello, congrats on Frog. How are you? Oh? Ah, the West Spaghetti Noodle broke. Oh, no, I hate that. It's honestly, it's always at the worst times. What is that? Oh, you want to have fun? Psych. Clowning. He was literally clowning around. He jumped into my face. Day 2, fuck. What kind of sick is it? Maybe we can think of some remedies. Oh yeah. Daytime. Now we've got Deirdre to deal with. Oh no, I hate that. That is honestly, it's been going around. I feel like everyone I talk to has been sick with like really bad flu. I was fucked up last week. Was it last week or the week before? One of them. It was horrible. Like a couple of days ago, my voice was gone. It's rough. The rope killing me. Didn't even do anything fun. Oh, I hate that. That's even worse. Hey, Deirdre. Don't touch me. You've ruined my run before, and I'm pissed with you still. Let's get rid of this poster. Deirdre, what side are you on? Okay, good. Oh, nah. That deer is evil. Hate him. Deirdre's a little shit. Deirdre's a menace to society. Okay, that's some good upgrades so far. Deirdre there. Motical, thank you so much for the follow. It's very much appreciated. Oh god. Ooh, you're getting too close. Let me get my fish. Ooh, 100, nice. Deirdre's coming. We gotta be fast. Go, go, go. Speed upgrades and money upgrade. Oh, Gordon's coming. Deirdre, where are you? Can't see him. Okay, I guess I'll wait here then. Damn it, it's 5 already? Ugh, it's fine. We'll go until we die. Yeah, yeah. Quiet your mouth. Who else is here? Roller, Shadow Pumpkin, Happy Clown, Sad Clown, Wendigo, Puddles. Oh, his name is Puddles. Oh, I love that. Oh, Puddles helps me carry more water. I didn't know that. And then the crow helps us find more coins. Oh, also didn't know that they had names. Still gonna call him Fred. I love the frog, it's so cute. Where's Deirdre? There you are. Come on, 200. Damn, 120. Okay, the pets are useful. I like that. If I'm ever strapped for cash, I can equip the crow and find some coins. He's so cute. The only thing is he does get stuck a lot. Sucks. Deirdre, stay away. Are you kidding me? Nice. Deirdre, you're a piece of shit. You know that? He just lunges at you. Oh yeah, now you're stuck on that side. Now what, huh? I shouldn't taunt him. He's a piece of shit. He will kill me. Let's go get some more upgrades. More money. More sprint. Because I need the sprint so bad. Okay, good stuff. Decent upgrades. Deirdre's still stuck on the other side of the fence, I think. I hope. Get a fish. A fucking tire? God, have I been getting really lucky with that every time? With it being a fish? I don't think I've ever seen a tire come out of there. Damn it, Fred's stuck in the house. Uh-oh, Gordon's coming. We got time. We got time. How's our plants looking? Oh, hold on. Let me... Ah! Then we can get 2 in 1. So now Deirdre runs off. And Gordon will be gone too. It's a smart idea. And now hopefully he won't be near the door. I hope. Okay, we still got 3 candles. Okay, we got 2 candles. Gordon's gone. Are you fucking kidding me? That's such bullshit. That's such bullshit. That was fucked up. Deirdre, that's a hate crime. Thank you for the clip. The fuck? That was so bad. Castle, hello, congrats on Frog. I love you. How are you? It's getting dark. It's getting scary. We need lighting upgrades ASAP. Cow. I have no idea. No way it's boobies. That's good. That's good. I like that. How are you guys? How's your day been? How's your Halloween been? Alexa, not you.
Sorry, I thought I heard my name.
You didn't. You've done this 3 days in a row now, love. It needs to stop. I'm good, I'm good. We played a nice scary game before when I was trying to sell a house. And now I'm being chased by an evil fucking deer. I don't know where Deirdre is. Oh, clown's here. I actually forgot about the clown. No, Deirdre was right there. Thank you. Honestly, the deer is definitely racist. Or some sort of ist. Right, I'm gonna let them all sync up now, because I hate when they're out of sync like that. Okay, next week we're gonna do speed and then money upgrades. Let's do money upgrades. You're not a clown. Nah. That was that was targeted. That was wild. I almost died. Gordon's coming in the night? Since when? Actually, he does do that. Let's buy some oil, I guess. Buy a bigger sack for my seed. Ooh, woo. Okay, we've got 2 candles left. Firefox, how are you? Oh my god, are you kidding me? That's bullshit. The amount of times he keeps coming to the door is so fucked up. I don't know where Deirdre is. Oh, other clowns here. Mr. Clown. Here you go, have a balloon. Enjoy. Where is that goddamn deer? I just walked past him. I was right in his face. That was gonna kill me. That would have actually killed me. That was horrific. Oh, I haven't checked my fish. I don't need more oil. I don't want a bigger sack right now. Oh, Deirdre. Deirdre, whatever your fucking name was. Deirdre. Yay, I didn't throw my hook out. God damn it. That was terrifying. Deirdre, you're very active and walking today. I don't like that. Stop that. Don't you dare try and block me in. You little shitbag. Yeah, I think we gotta start doing some other seeds too. Just for the extra cash. Yeah, let's do that first. Now that... Let's get a bigger sack. Cool. Perfect. Deirdre, where are you? You know I don't like it when I can't see you. Kindly fuck off, on God. There you are, Fred. God damn it, Deirdre. Yo, chat. Oh, you want a gold coin? I don't have any. I'm so sorry. Chat, this is your last chance to get Halloween merch. It will be going tonight. 6, 7. Sorry. Don't know. Now, why is it taking me so long to hear that joke before? Oh shit, Gordon's coming. How have I not heard that before? What the fuck? Oh, that was funny. Oh, I hurt my nose trying to fucking hold that laugh in. Fucking hell. Gordon, are you done? Please be done. Oh, I got the tire. I just need a big fish now. He's done. Oh, where did I just get 3 coins from? Weird. Deirdre's over there. My God. Deirdre, get away from the fucking crops. Come on, big fish. Big fish. I think that might be the big one, actually. Hey, Deirdre. You little shitbag. Let's get Fred back out because I want more water. I don't see Deirdre anywhere. Hopefully they're trapped somewhere. Oh, they're right there. Right by the crops. Ah, you are joking. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, you little freak. That's maxed out. Good stuff. We're gonna let them grow so they're all in sync. Lovely jubbly. Oh, hungry as shit. Oh, I got money. And I spent it all. You're a piece of shit, Deirdre. You're an actual piece of shit. Little fuckbag. Goddamn, I didn't put my line out. I see you, Deirdre. I see you. I wish the seeds gave me at least one back. Like a 1-to-1 at least. But they don't respawn. Gordon, I ain't got time for you right now. I'm gonna be honest. This isn't the time you should be coming up here. Go on, give us some kitchen nightmares before Deirdre comes to my door again. Come on. Deirdre! Fuck off. Are you... That's bullshit. That's actual bullshit. That almost killed me. If I never got stuck in the fence bit, I would have been dead. That was crazy. Big fish. Ooh. 600. Deirdre, go somewhere else, man. Cramping my style. How big is this? 5, 10, 50, 25. Okay. That was really bad because I ran out of stamina there. Jesus Christ. Okay, nighttime. I really need to upgrade the lights again, I think. definitely need more lights. We got 450. Oh, okay, that's at max. God damn it. Could plant some aspens. Is the clowns gonna come again? Not yet. I see you, Deirdre. I see you coming towards me. Oh, there's the clown. Coming. Oh, there you were. Bye. Have a good night. So if you don't take the clown's balloon, his brother comes the next day, and because you don't have the balloon, he kills you. Like, he's the clowns are the ones that can get into your house and murder you. So you literally have to. Deirdre, where are you? No, I don't like it when I can't see you. Yeah, the clowns are brutal. Like, you have to follow their little musical notes. Yeah, you have to get all their musical note things. You don't have to get them, you follow them and then you find where they are. There is a big chance that you can miss them, and it's fucked when you miss them. Because you just know you're dead at that point. Gordon, you gotta hurry up and leave, because I got one candle left. Okay. Are you joking? Every time. He's just there. Oh, clown's here as well, which is good. Hey, buddy, where you at? I got a balloon for you. And you have to hand the balloon to him. Because even if you miss the second one, he'll still chase you even though you got the balloon. He still gets very angry. Yeah, it's fucked. Where the fuck is Deirdre? Thank you so much, Dot. I appreciate it. Hell yeah. What's 520? Why is it when I gotta end stream, I have the best run? You ain't shit. That was really close. That was actually terrifying. Hey, Deirdre, you little shit. Remember when you just tried to murder me just then? Yeah, I remember that. Pepperidge Farm remembers that too. What? I wasn't even near you. Okay, that was my best run. Well, that's the end of stream. Fuck, man. I need to play this game off stream and see what the fuck I can do, because that was... I need to finish this game. I need to. That was the furthest I've been, though. What the achievements are there? Repair the boat, 10,000 coins. Complete normal mode in under 25 minutes? Not a chance. Nightmare, all companions. I mean, we still have a companion left. Nightmare mode in 35 minutes and complete all achievements. That's wild. That is nuts. But let's go see who's live. You've raided out. That's where I wanted to go. You're still streaming. Wait, are you almost done? Hold on.
Frank, cheers. Big cheers. Big water open already.
Okay, now Sky's still going. Let's go. Let's go. Say hi to Sky, because Sky's doing charity stuff. She is dressed as Chucky, and I'm not looking directly at her face, because me and Chucky do not get along. But I love you all very much. I hope you all have a lovely Halloweens. Thank you all for joining. I will see you all on Monday. But Inane, thank you so much for the bits. Callan, thank you for the bits. Pissy, thank you for the bits. And Pissy, thank you for the resub. I appreciate you guys. First one if you sub, second one if you're not. But I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you for the gnome. I'll see you all on Monday. Good night. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Ah, fuck.